So I've just dug that over and popped a few plants in there. I want to replant all that. This is the only part of the garden that's in the shade, hence why the chair's there, because it is nice to sit in the shade. Some bits of plants are coming up there, but I really don't know what's what and what's good and what's bad. That's finishing off dying now. That's all coming out into flower. Apparently it's a little pink flower. Now this tree here, look at that. It is a lemon magnolia bush. Isn't that beautiful? So I've put some lights up around my tree. I've planted a few bedding plants down at the bottom of it, and I've put some mushrooms in down there. But main thing is my pond. Oh look, can you see the fish? Yeah, the fish are there. The pond plants are all coming out into flower, and I can see the lilies are starting to grow. So I'm pleased that that's survived. I don't know if you can see the fish swimming around there. I've got 6. Thought I only had 5. So yeah, dug a prickly bush out of here, put a few plants in down there, put some chicken wire temporary along the bottom of the garden to keep the dogs in because they were going into the neighbour's garden. Sorted out my seating area, my chairs there. That wardrobe's still got to go. My bird cage has still got to go up somewhere. That apparently is pink, but that's about it. So nothing great happening out here. I really don't know what to do out here, but yeah, I'm not in no rush to plan the garden or anything next now. I just want to put some flowers in. But yeah, that's it. See you again soon. Bye for now.